This video, I'll be showing you how to fix Outlook won't open. But anyways, getting into it, it's a very simple method to go ahead and fix this. So the first thing we want to do is go over to our App Store. And this can be on the Google Play Store if you're on Android too. On the top right, click on your profile icon. Then go over to App Updates. Check to see if any of your applications need an update. If Outlook is over here, you just go ahead and update it. And if it's not, then what you could do is go back, go to Search, type in Outlook over here, and just make sure if it needs an update, make sure to update it. Because as you can see, it didn't show up in my updates, but for some reason, if I go ahead and type it in and manually search for it, it shows up in my updates. Now, once it's updated and everything, go ahead and try it then. If it still doesn't work or anything like that, then the next thing we want to do is go ahead and clear the cache. So we want to go to Settings, scroll down to General, then go to iPhone Storage. And then from here, we're going to locate Outlook. So I can just go ahead and type it in. Click on it, and then on iPhone you want to offload the application, and then if you're on Android you want to clear the cache. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all the other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.